Happy holidays, everyone. I'm so excited and proud of all of you for joining our program here. Just want to tell you a little bit about our upcoming specials here. As you might have already known, we have 2 wellness kits. I'll go through them for you. And then we are doing our HydraFX buy 6, get 3 for free. So that is our Black Friday, Cyber Monday special. So definitely stay tuned to that. We also have our other special here for the Black Friday, which is the Hydra Shot. They get the spa. They get the disinfecting spray, the tabs, and they get that all for the very low cost of $2.89. Same as just the bottle alone. So you get all those things. So definitely promote that out there. Let people know. Okay. So this is our wellness kit. This is going to be New Year, New You. So those of you that are purchasing this kit, or you have one of your team members purchasing this kit, it will qualify you to January, because we're starting our it's going to be a 6-week training course for you. So it's going to be anybody that signs up with these 2 packs here are going to be eligible, or anyone in the past that had any of our affiliate kits. We're going to walk you through a whole training system step by step by step. So you're going to be guaranteed to make results, otherwise your money back. So those of you that are just joining, you want to get into the program, you want to be an affiliate, but you're scared because you don't want to spend the money with no result. Well, it's going to be money back guarantee. So you're going to make your money back with our product in commissions. Otherwise, you're going to get your money back and you send us like that. Okay, so here we go. This is our whole house water system. So I want to tell you why it's unique and different, and there's nothing else out there like it, and why all of you deserve to have it. As you know, we have over 60,000 chemicals in our tap water. They're only looking for 91, and out of those 91, they're really not even telling you what's in it. City Water Report, there's like 8 contaminants they're showing you. So what this filter is designed for is city water. That's considered safe drinking water, although I would disagree with that. I don't think the city water is safe. So what is inside is 2 different medias. We have our KDF 55. So this is KDF 55. It's copper and zinc. And how this works in here is off of redox. So similar to the water, it's an electromagnetic process that happens in the technology here. And it basically donates an electron and it neutralizes the harmful contaminant, the toxin. So this stuff is amazing. It's also great for bacteria. So if you've got bacteria, we're worried about that, this is a great media. Now this is our catalytic carbon. So this is another media in here, which is great for odor, taste, VOCs, pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, the most common contaminants. This is going to help reduce or eliminate. So that's also in here. So that's in the bottom tank. So what's great is that this system here, unlike any other water system, you have an in and out. So it's designed to go in your garage, or you have the water main coming in, typically by the hot water. This would go before the hot water system, or in your laundry room. You're going to hook it up to 1-inch pipe here, and the whole house water system water goes in, and then it comes out. By doing this, the water, instead of going traditional, is going to go down. This one, it's going to flow up and out. Why is that exciting? Because when you have it going down, it creates tunnels. So there's like a waterfall, you've seen it, it's tunnels. You can see all those veins and the rocks behind it. That's what happens in the filters. And so every other filter out there, they're gonna have to plug in, which now you need an electrician, and it's got a backwash that flushes the tank. It pushes it up, pushes it down, so that you don't have those veins. Here, no veins, because it's going up. Can't get the veins, so we love it that way. Also, because there's no backwashing, there's no drain. When you have a drain, you typically have to have a 1-inch line going to a drain, or you have to install a drain, and it's a lot of maintenance and work and very high plumbing costs. So you don't have to worry about that with this. Also up here is called nucleation crystallization activation technology. It's called NAC for short. Okay, so what this is, it binds up minerals, heavy minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium. So it makes them not able to stick. So it's not going to lower the calcium concentration. It's just going to bind it up. So you're not seeing it sticking on your glasses. You're not going to see it building up around your toilets. Another really important thing is when your water is sitting in your pipes, if it's hard water and you don't have a softener, you don't have a conditioner, those minerals will build up in those pipes, creating pinhole leaks. Because over time, the calcium will go in there and it pushes against the piping, and then pretty soon it's leaking. And so you have the water pipe, you have the sewer pipe, and pretty soon they're mixing and you have waterborne pathogens. So you do not want that. So this is a great system because it's conditioning your water. So it's going to help all your appliances last longer, especially, when you're washing your clothes, you're going to notice a difference in your clothes and your skin too. So this whole house water system, chloramines, lots of other contaminants, we can custom make this too. So if you have a really hard time with arsenic and you want something else that gets different contaminants out besides what we have here, we can change them out. So which is great. And then 5 to 7 years after you install it, we'll have the plumber come out. They suck out the media, put new media in. $300 to $500 later, another 5 to 7 years. So we have a lifetime warranty on the tank as well. So this is really a one-stop shop for all your water supply. Even you could brush your teeth. You can drink the water too. It's actually very healthy water. Okay, so this is the whole house pack. You definitely deserve that. And then I want to explain to you a little bit more about the items we have in the wellness bundle here. So what we have is the HydraFX tabs. So these tabs give your body everything it needs to make its own hydrogen. So when you consume a supplement, you consume it, it's going to help your microbiome, your gut, helps it communicate with your brain easier, helps out more antioxidant production, your immune system, mental clarity, focus, up to 70 milligrams. That would be 70 parts per million is one of these tabs. So if you can imagine if the HydraShot's 5 and you're getting 70, that is a huge difference. If you combo pack here, you're going to get the best results because it saturates your blood for 6 hours, whereas this is in and out. So this is really popular. So right now we have the buy 6, get 3 for free for the Black Friday. Then we're going to include our spa here. This spa, we take the shower head off your shower. We're going to put this in place and then pop it back on. And then you have calcium, or you have minerals for your skin. You have vitamin C. That's for your skin. It's an antioxidant. You have slow and fast acting hydrogen, which is great for your skin. Helps make collagen. And then we also put media in here, similar to this. Granulated activated carbon to help reduce the chlorine, as well as some other contaminants. So that is excellent. Filter lasts usually 3 to 6 months. All right, before a new refill, which the refills are just a fraction of the price. And we're going to add in our disinfecting spray bottle. This spray bottle is the one and only household cleaner you're ever going to need. You're just going to take your tap water, put water in it, here, little salt, push the button, hypochlorous acid. That's going to kill all your bacteria and all your germs. MRSA, staph, gangrene, there's not a thing it doesn't kill. They've tested it on everything. 30 to 60 seconds later, it kills everything. And it's safe, so you can use it on your skin for any kind of skin issues people might be experiencing. Okay, so this is my routine. This is what I do in the mornings, in the afternoons, and sometimes for dessert, is I'm going to take a scoop of Dr. Tony's blend here of whey protein. Now, this isn't just whey protein that you see in GNC. The whey proteins that you're going to find on the shelf are going to be not complete proteins. They're broken down, they're heated, and they're cooked. So the protein structure has been altered. It's kind of like a GMO food. It's been processed through GMO, and your body's like, that's not something I recognize. So it doesn't use it. So this has now been heated or cooked, so all those protein structures are still intact. Your body takes it in, and it makes and it builds muscle tissue very effectively with barely any calories. So we love it. There's no artificial sweeteners, chemicals. It's creamy, it's delicious. I add a fruit here. This is superfoods at the highest level. This is going to give your liver, your pancreas, everything in your body nutrition to help detox and cleanse. There's milk thistle and all kinds of great things for mushrooms, for stress. It's all in here. So we got the greens, alfalfa. I mean, there's nothing that's like, there's so many great, powerful superfoods in here. So Dr. Tony's really taken quite some time used to formulate for isogenics. So it's very great quality products. So we have the scoop of that in the morning with scoop, and that keeps you full, and you're going to notice, wow, I am losing weight. So if you're worried about the holiday weight gain, don't worry anymore. We're going to start that holiday weight loss challenge in January too. So we do have our HydraShot, #1 world's best-selling hydrogen bottle here. Just push the button, make hydrogen. And of course, our mood food, because to keep your brain healthy. Because if you have that negative thought and feeling, that's going to put your body in stress. That's cortisol and adrenaline. That's, oh my gosh, fight or flight. Now your body's out of balance. You want to stay balanced? You want to have happy thoughts, happy feelings, happy chemicals. So you want oxytocin, serotonin, melatonin, all the happy hormones, bliss, joy, all those great things. This will help you have those thoughts. So I love this pack. We formulated it especially for our holiday season here. So go out there and talk to people. You know, we have such a great program. We have the referral. Anyone can be a referral. You don't even have to purchase anything. 10%. So you sell our whole house pack here, you're going to be receiving for 10% about $800. It's pretty great, isn't it? Now, if you're excited and you buy the pack and then you start selling, you get 20%. So you're going to get about $1,600, your very first sale. And then you're going to get 10% for anyone you bring in And so, yeah, you're making great income. And then 5% override on the people that you bring in as well. So you have 20, 10, and 5. And then we have our rank advanced bonuses, our 30-day, our 60-day, and our 90-day. So the first month, you get 2 people with the pack, you get an extra $100. The second month, you get 4 people with the pack that get the 2, and then you're gonna get $250. And then you get, sorry, that's the executive. The second phase here, you just need 2 to get 2, and that's $250 cash bonus. And then of course, the executive bonus is $500, which is 4 people with the pack that each have their 2 people. So we got those for you. So join. The time is always now. People are aware, they understand health, they're sicker now than they ever have been, and they want to get well, and they know that drugs are not the way. Your body has everything inside of it. Everything that you need to help you. So put the right things in it, the right thoughts in it, the right water in it, the right food in it, and the right belief system, and your body will heal itself. So I can't wait for the remainder of the holiday season. We've begun now, and let's see what we can do together. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.